Hey there, sociology students. So I just wanted to give you a really quick introduction to what I'm talking about in terms of life. So we as societies actually end up organizing life into distinctive stages, and those stages are childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age, okay? So I really want, now that we have a little bit of idea in terms of what our separate groups are and what our different societies are, I want for you to think of it in terms of our own society here in the United States, okay? How do we treat each of our groups at each of its different stages, okay? What are general conclusions that you can make about the value of each stage to our own society? And finally, why do you think that? What kind of evidence or what you perceive, what you see really leads you to believe what you think we value in this country, okay? So I'll type that up here for you guys as well, but those are our stages of life, and I kind of just want to get in a little bit of a fun discussion about it, all right? Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thanks.